Hello, my name is Carlos Serrano and I'm the co-founder of a company called Netmust, and I'm here to present you one of the solutions that we have developed, which is called Humbi, your digital entertainment solution for businesses. Well, today businesses use entertainment content as a way to increase the perceived value of their own core business while engaging customers to stay longer and consume more of their own businesses. But what do businesses need to carry this objective? What kind of media and entertainment content do they need? Which artists and bands? Which are the current trends? How can in-store manager know their own clients' musical preferences? How can a business attract the right type of client? And what about the artists and the bands? How can they increase the exposure while promoting their own work and finding opportunities to monetize it? How can they get booked for a live gig at one of those businesses? Well, business entertainment content represents an enormous market today. Almost all businesses use the same kind of content to power their own businesses. Businesses like stores, bars, discos, shopping malls, hotels, parking lots, and many others. There's a confusing market where no integrated business entertainment content solutions exists, and where all the content and all the associated services are most often offered by different service providers and not as a simple service which is accessible in an accessible manner. There's no music market also where we can find artists and bands where they can find opportunities to monetize and to distribute their own work today. So we are proposing a solution in which we are developing sets of different components, which are the Humbi portal, the Humbi box, and the Humbi mobile app. These three components will be used to offer a single, simple, and integrated solution for digital entertainment content for your own business. Humbi will diversify their own revenue sources. First, we will implement a freemium model for individual end users and authors and bands, which will be offering some basic functionalities which are free of charge, and we only be charging for extra functionalities that we will be providing. Music business users will be charged for the rental of the Humbi box and will pay a fixed fee for its usage. There will be some different services levels which will influence also the price of this service. Humbi will be developed in an integrated solution which is composed by a box, which hardware and software, a portal which will be developed on the web, so it will use standard web technologies, and also a mobile application which will be deployed on smartphones for end users to use it and interact with the portal and with the Humbi box. Humbi will focus primarily on businesses where entertainment is of particular importance, like for instance restaurants, bars, pubs, and nightclubs. In 2011, the global revenue for public performance rights represented at least a total of $6 billion. This represents just what they have to pay for the right to play the music in their own venues. In the European Union, there are 1.7 million companies working in this industry that includes bars, pubs, restaurants, nightclubs, and hotels. In the US, we are talking about a total of 980,000 restaurants and 40,000 bars in nightclubs that represent around 680 billion US dollars. We will face competition from several sources. Due to the nature of our business, we will face competition from music portals like for instance the Music Box and iTunes, from music tagging identification systems like for instance Shazam, MusicBrainz or EchoPrint. We will face also the competition of music business-oriented solutions like for instance Mood Media, Way Media, music artist promotion solutions like for instance MusicSpace and BandPage, end-user music solutions like Spotify, Last.fm, Deezer, MyWay or iTunes, and also from customer loyalty services like for instance MyGon or Groupon. We have a skilled team composed of 4 members which have knowledge that complements each other and which is the right team to develop this solution. We are currently developing a prototype of the entire solution, so we are developing a prototype of the Humbi portal, we are developing a prototype of the Humbi box, and we are also developing a prototype of the Humbi mobile application for smartphones. We expect to have the first prototype running in 6 months' time. Remember, Humbi will change the business entertainment content forever.